Hello friends, welcome once again, and before starting video, request there to subscribe the channel, like, comment and share. Please don't forget to comment. Your comments are energy for me. It motivates me to prepare more and more videos. Today topic is related to the enzyme inducers, enzyme induction. Enzyme induction is related to the metabolism of drug. The process in which the drug metabolizing capacity of an enzyme is increased, it is termed as enzyme induction. There are various factors which are responsible for enzyme induction, and one of the factor is drugs. It means one drug can induce the metabolism of another drug, and the drug which causes induction are termed as enzyme inducers. There is a list of drugs which act as enzyme inducers. What we have done is we have collected the drugs and we have transformed into a poem so that it can be easily memorized in unforgettable manner. Let us see. To understand this poem, we have to keep in mind certain things, what they are. Enzyme induction is similar to enzyme activation. Means once an enzyme is activated, it means enzyme has been induced. It is just to understand the concept. When a person takes cigarette, the person feels induced. Person feels fresh. Famous car. When a person sits in famous car, he takes alcohol of a famous brand and he feels induced. Why I am using the words induce? Because we are dealing with the topic enzyme induction. Now, two persons named Amin and Viren. Two persons, Amin and Viren, they want to feel fresh, excited or induced. So they went to cigarette zone. Amin and Viren, they went to cigarette zone. Then what happened? Barbie and John, two more persons. Barbie and John, they also came, and what they brought? Grease and primidone. They brought grease and primidone along with them. Famous car, alcohol, never happened. This is one case in which the persons are feeling induced. Now second case, a person is sitting in famous car and drinking alcohol, and the name of brand of that famous alcohol is Nevirapine. It is a very good brand, very costly brand. The person is in car taking alcohol with this brand, and this drug activate enzyme. Means all these drugs activate enzyme, means these cause enzyme induction. So all these conditions are responsible for enzyme induction. It means these drugs act as enzyme inducers. Now let us start the poem. Amin Viren went cigarette zone. Barbie John brought grease primidone. Famous car alcohol nevirapine. Phenytoin ureas activate enzyme. So how much simple it is. Now we will see drugs one by one. This red line means a name of a drug, and this green underline means the exact words which have been taken from this poem. Amine, aminoglutathamide. Viren, drug name is efavirenz. Cigarette means cigarette smoke. Zone, the drug name is pioglitazone. Barbie comes in phenobarbital. John means St. John's wort. Grease means greaseophulvin. Primidone is as such. Famous, rifampicin. Car, carbamazepine. Alcohol as such. Nevirapine as such, no change. Phenytoin, ureas, sulfonylureas. Now one thing is remaining, alcohol. This alcohol comes in enzyme inhibitor also and included in enzyme induction also. The difference is when alcohol is there, if it is taken in acute condition, it acts as enzyme inhibitor, and one other condition in which it is taken chronically, it acts as enzyme inducers. So you have understood both the condition, how the alcohol is acting as inhibitor and inducer. So this is about the story of enzyme inducer. Now we will see the consequences of enzyme induction. There can be decreased duration of action when the drug is inactivated by metabolism. There can be increased intensity of the drug if the drug is activated by metabolism. Next is tolerance. Many drugs like rifampicin, carbamazepine, they show phenomena of autoinduction. In that case, tolerance can be developed. Next, increased metabolism of endogenous substances like bilirubin. So this video is very important from competitive point of view. Many a times questions has been asked from this list, and also in university exams questions have been asked frequently to write a note or in the form of long answer to write answer on enzyme inducers. So this is how we'll keep on making the pharmacy easy. Be in touch. Best of luck. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, comment and share. Please do comment. Thank you.